when you are coming, have possible, have chance, how can speak, how can request to you? Now you are Mathura now, living in Mathura. You are king of Mathura. How can speak? Hridayam tadalokakataram. So my heart is very deep, very painful. How should I lost my knowledge. I cannot control my knowledge. I cannot control my buddhi, cannot control my heart. Now how should? In this way Radharani fainting on the ground. Same way Mahaprabhu feeling deep separation. Mahaprabhu feeling deep separation. Sri Madhavendra Puripad, he is feeling deep separation. In this way, they have deep separations more. So Madhavendra Puripad, last time also he prayed this verse. In this way, story in Chaitanya Charitamrita. How Madhavendra Puripad disappeared from here? How Madhavendra Puripad, he went from here. How his prema bhakti. So in this way, Srila Madhavendra Puripad, he served manifest Gopal Dev. Nowadays, this Gopal, Srinath Dwara, Srinath Gopal, very famous. In this way, this day is Akshaya Tritiya day, very auspicious for everyone. Also, Vyasdev, he stayed, he lived in Badrinath. He wrote all Shastra. Before all Shastra was only Shruti Vidya. Everyone they hear. Then they got knowledge. Before, no books, no writing anyone. But Vyasdev, first time he came, he wrote Vedas, Upanishads, Puranas, Itihas, all Shastra. In this way, first he manifests Rig, Sam, Yajur, Atharva, 4 Vedas. One Vedas, one Vedas, 4 parts. Mantra Bhag, Brahmana Bhag, Aranyak Bhag, and Upanishad Bhag. Mantra Bhag, always Stuti prayer. Mantra Bhag. Brahmana Bhag, we are writing how can make first sacrifice Kunda Yajna Vedi. How can make Yajna Vedi? How it proceeds? So many process writing. This is called Gadda, Brahmana Bhag. How can do Yajna? What is necessary? Aranyak Bhag. Aranya means forest. We are brahmachari, living in the forest, very honest, pure mood, pure heart, following to Gurudeva's order, and they are serving to Gurudev. how they got knowledge. So Gurudev teach to them. In this way, this is called Aranya Bhat. Upanishad Bhat, Vedanta. Essence of Vedanta. Where knowledge, how can worship to Vishnu? How can worship to Shiva? There are all knowledge, renounce life, mostly renounce. With renounce, follow to God. In this way, Vedanta Shastra describes this thing. Brahman Bhat, Mantra Bhat, Aranya Bhat, and Upanishad Bhat. There are 4 Vedas, Rig, Sam, Yajur, Atharva. In this way, 4 Vedas. Also other Ayurveda, Gandharva Veda, Dhanurveda, and Sthapatakala, Shilpakala. In this way, 4 Vedas more coming. Ayurveda, medicine knowledge. All medicine knowledge. Ayurveda. Dhanurveda, weapon knowledge. All weapons. Gandharva Veda means singer. Singer, how can song? Singing. Make tone. So many variety. Singer knowledge. And architect. All architect. All Shilpakala. In this way, 4 Vedas also come. Vedas 6 part. Shiksha, Kalpa, Vyakaran, Chanda, Jyotish, Nirukta. 6 part of Vedas. Other way, 1180 Upanishads. So, 4 Vedas, there are Upanishads. 1108. That they wrote all Shastra. After that, he made code words. 550 code words. This is called Vedanta Sutra or Brahma Sutra. Essence of Vedanta. In this way, again he wrote commentary, Vedanta commentary. Then Vedanta commentary coming like Srimad Madhvacharya, Sri Ramanujacharya, Sri Vishnu Swami, Sri Nimbaditya, Sri Shankaracharya. They wrote their commentary, different commentary and different theories from Vedanta Shastra. After that, they wrote Purana. All total 54 Puranas. Purana, Upapurana, Upapurana. In this way, so many Puranas are. At last, then he wrote Mahabharata. History book Mahabharata, Panchama Vedas Mahabharata. And after Mahabharata, they wrote one book named Srimad Bhagavatam. Essence of all Shastra. all common. One book name is Srimad Bhagavatam. In this way, Vyasa wrote this Shastra, common, manifest Vedanta.
这下国家网上说它呈现了所有之前的这些伟大经典。
So, most people, they are going pilgrimage, see Badrikashram, there are Vyasashram, Vyasa is there. In this way, this is called Akshaya Tritiya. Now we are going to Chaitanya Charitamrita. Madhya Leela, chapter 22. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he lived in Kashi Dham, then Sanatana Goswami asked Mahaprabhu, "Oh Prabhu, please tell me, teach something." So Mahaprabhu spoke Sambandha, Abhidya and Pravidya. Sri Krishna is our relation. So Sri Krishna is our Sambandha. We have relation with him. He is Supreme Personality of Godhead. He has so many incarnations. In this way, Sri Krishna manifests himself. Before chapter spoke how is Sri Krishna, how is his incarnations, how is managing this universe, one, how he manifests his incarnation, how is his Leela. In this way, before spoke Krishna Tattva. Also his ambulance mood, other is sweetness mood. Now speaking Abhidya. Abhidya means sadhana. How can follow sadhana process? So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu spoke to Sanatana Goswami. Vande Shri Krishna Chaitanya Devam Tam Karunarnavam Kalapapyati Kureyam Bhaktirjena Prakasita. I offer my obeisances to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is Karuna Samudra, great merciful. In the Kali Yuga, Ati Gura, very secret Bhakti Ras Tattva, Bhakti process, but he manifests very real, very secret Bhakti Tattva. Jai Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Nityananda Jaya Advaita Chandra Jaya Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Jai Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Nityananda Jaya Advaita Chandra Jaya Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Eita Pahilo Sambandha Tattira Vichar Veda Shastra Upadeshe Krishna Ekasar. Evi kahi suna avidya laksha Jahoite pai Krishna prem hai na dhan. Krishna bhakti avidya सर्व शास्त्री कय अतएव मुनिगण करिया छे निश्चय. अद्वैत ज्ञान तत्व कृष्ण स्वयं भगवान स्वरूप शक्ति रूपेता है अवस्था. So Mahaprabhu spoke to Sanatana
所
Goswami.
以当他对这个萨拉达古萨的时候，
Oh, Sanatana Goswami, Sanatana, listen. Avidya.
他说三年前听，
Avidya means sadhana
这个
process.
不是萨丁的元素程序，
How can follow this path?
怎么追求这个公案，
How can find to Sri Krishna?
怎么才能找到
And how can find to Krishna Prem?
找
Krishna
到
Prem.
这样的真爱，Krishna Prem。
In this way, all Shastras quote Krishna Bhakti. So, Muni, Sadhu, they decide how is pure bhakti, how can follow this bhakti. Shruti Mata Prishta Disati Bhagavad Aradhana Vidhin Yatha Matur Bani Smritirapi Tatha Bhakti Bhagini. Mata is Mama is Shruti. Shruti is mother. And she is speaking, giving instruction how can follow bhakti, how can worship to Sri Krishna. Same way, so Mata giving instruction. Same way, Smriti Shastra, they are sister. They are sister, Smriti Shastra, they are sister. So sisters helping and giving good advice to everyone.
所有的妹妹，然后她帮助所有的姐姐一起去教导孩子。
And brother, Purana, all Purana Shastra,
所有的兄弟，
they are
所有的往
our brother giving good advice
往事书，
to us.
那往事书的话，这个兄弟的话给予好的建议。
In this way, then must follow to Murahara Sri Krishna. Take shelter to him.
要托比如摩哈拉是 Krishna。
Adhyayan Tattva Krishna Swam Bhagavan Sarup Shakti Rupitar Hai Avasthan. So Adhyayan Tattva Sri Krishna himself, he has Sarup Shakti, Sangsha Vivinnangsha Rupi Hai Avistar Ananta Vaikuntha Brahmandi Karina Vihar. Sangsha and Vivinnangsha. His part is Swangsha. His part of parcel, this is called Vivinnangsha. Means his energy, his Shakti, power.
Who?
Sri Krishna Shakti power, from this power, half part, this is called Vivinnangsha.
是 Krishna 能量扩展是一部分，是 Vivinnangsha 情况，它的生长。
Ananta Vaikuntha Brahmandi Karena Vihar.
说来听啊 ，Vivinnangsha মানে
哎
Vivinnangsha মানে
अरे विभिन्नांश माने ভগবান স্বরূপ শক্তি যুক্ত ভগবানের শক্তির যখন অংশ হয় তখন বিভিন্নাংশ
What's meaning also?
অংশ মিন্স ভগবান শ্রীকৃষ্ণ স্বয়ং যিনি স্বরূপ থেকে অন্য স্বরূপে প্রকাশ হন তখন অংশ ওয়ান পার্ট
Angsa 代表 Angsa 代表
ভগবান নিজে তিনি
力量，但是是属于
নিজ স্বরূপ থেকে আরেক স্বরূপে প্রকাশিত হলেন তখন হলো অংশ যখন ভগবানের শক্তি
然后扩展出一个能量，其中的一个
তাহার থেকে যখন প্রকাশ হচ্ছে তখন বিভিন্ন
扩展一个能量，就是 Vivinnangsha。就是要 Vivinnangsha。
সংস বিস্তার চতুর্ভুজ অবতার বিভিন্নাংশ জীব তার শক্তিতে গণ
从 Krishna 的能量中
सांसद चतुर्भुज वासुदेव संकर्षण प्रद्युम्न अनिरुद्ध केशव नारायण गोविंद दामोदर मुकुंद पद्मनाभ श्रीधर
这些是 Krishna 的所有的名字，所有的
they call Sangsad
他们都被称作上
and other avatargan, Purusavatar, Gunavatar, Yugavatar, Leelavatar, Manvantara Saptavesh avatar, they are Sangsad.
六种类型的。
But Jiva, they are Vivinnangsha. Because they call Shakti.
这些都被称为是维纳斯。
Say Vivinnangsha Jiv Duita Prakar Ek Nitya Mukta Ek Nitya Sansar. Two types of jivas. Liberated soul,
这个就讲
conditioned soul.
方式之中分为两种类型，一个就是受法
Nitya Mukta Nitya Krishna Charane Unmu Krishna Parisadhanam Punjit Sevasu. Liberated soul, always they are following to Sri Krishna. They call Sri Krishna's associate person. Always they are following Seva, serving to Sri Krishna. In this way, always be happy. Nityabadha Krishna ite nityabahirmukh Nitya sansara bhunji narakadidu. Nityabadha conditioned souls, always they are opposite bahirmukh jiva. They forgot to Sri Krishna. In this way, they are samsara. They are conditioned souls living in material life. Always feeling health, always unhappy. Shahido se maya pisati dandakare tare adhyatmik adita patrai tare jare mare. Maya pisati, ghost. Maya ghost give him punishment, give him painful life. Adhyatmik, Adidevik, Adibhautik, Tritap, feeling Tritap, painful life. Kam Krudhir Dasaya Tarlathi Khai, Pramite Pramite Jadi, Sadhu Vaidyapai. Always they are feeling lost, anger, greed, illusion, ignorance. In this way, always serving lost and anger. Become serving and always feeling these things. In this way, living conditioned souls. Too much painful life, hellish life. Moving in this world. Not only one life, so many lives. If they are getting sadhu association, by the sadhu association giving instructions, at that time Maya Pisachi, this host going up. Then they are founding Krishna Bhakti, going to Sri Krishna. Kama Kamadinam Katina Katidha Palita Nirdesu Stesham Yatamai Nakaruna Natrapanopasanti Ussajaitan Athajadupati Sampratam Labdha Buddhi Stam Ayat Saranam Abhayam Mam Nijum Chat Madasi. Sri Bhakti Rasamrita said, Srila Rupa Goswami spoke. Kamadinam Katina Katidha Palitandur Nidesa. O Prabhu, always
总是
I am following to lost anger, greed, illusion, falsehood, ignorance.
愚昧、
And
贪婪，
they are giving so much order, powerful order, following and serving them.
也有很多这种有力量的命令，让我服务他们，
They are not giving any instructions,
不给我任何的教导，
but they have no mercy to me, no karuna, no shyness,
没有仁慈，
no never left me. Always
从来
I have lost anger, greed,
充
illusion.
满所有愤怒，
No shanti, no stop, non
没有
stop.
没有平静平和，
Always too much desire.
是充满欲望。
He Yadupati Sri Krishna.
对，要走完这是
Now I left
要
all.
走完这是为什么？现在我
I get knowledge.
我得到了知识，
I take shelter, you lotus feet.
这对于你的莲花座，
Please give me your seva.
请给予我们的服务，
I am not going another way.
是死。
Krishna Bhakti Hai Avidya Pradhan Bhakti Mukh Nirikhak Karma Yoga Gyan. So Mahaprabhu told,
马大不讲到
only Krishna Bhakti.
非常的爱，
This is Avidya. One process is Bhakti. No other thing. Karma, Gyan, Yoga, they are only supporting to Bhakti. Okay. You can go in the Bhakti line, follow Bhakti process. We are helping to you. But they are not karma, Gyan, Yoga. They are not Bhakti.
但是知识包括任何瑜伽不是
Nothing there.
其中
In this way, karma without bhakti,
包括没有
only karma useless.
风派职业这个
You gain everything useless.
得到的所有
When they are following bhakti, then something
只有
using.
风爱，
Otherwise nothing useless.
然后呢，只有
এইসব সাধনের অতি তুচ্ছ বল কৃষ্ণ ভক্তি বিনা তাহা দিতে না রে ফল ভেরি false. No strength, no energy, no power, nothing.
得到的知识的话没有力量，
Without Krishna bhakti,
没有 Krishna 的风爱的话，
karma, gyan, yoga, they are not giving their results.
是火爆活动者在说。
नैष्कर्ममप्यच्युत भाववर्जितं न शोभते ज्ञानमलं निरञ्जनम् कुतः पुनः स्वस्वदभद्रमीश्वरे न चार्पितं कर्म यदपकारणम् नैष्कर्ममप्यच्युत भाववर्जितं न शोभते ज्ञानमलं निरञ्जनम् कुतः पुनः स्वस्वदभद्रमीश्वरे न चार्पितं कर्म यदपकारणम् अच्युत भाव रहितम अच्युत भाव भक्ति भाव शून्य नो भक्ति भाव नास्ति निष्कर्म ज्ञान निष्काम ज्ञान नो एनी डिजायर नो एनीथिंग एल्स प्योर ज्ञान ब्रह्म ज्ञान नो शोभा नो ब्यूटी नथिंग यूजलेस अलम निरंजनम ज्ञानम माया उपाधि शून्य ज्ञान ब्रह्म ज्ञान This Brahma Gyan there is nothing useless, no result. So there are karma, only karma. अभद्रमेश्वरी ने